Say hello to the Kindle Scribe. Something we never thought would come out from Amazon has come out in one of the most beautiful ways. A 10.2 inch with 300 ppi display, adjustable warm light, handwriting capabilities, of course USB-C, and all the beauty and infrastructure of what makes Amazon so amazing. A 10.2 inch with 300 ppi is something that we just can't overstate enough. This is the highest resolution and pixel density of any e-paper product above 10 inches. Most products above 10 inches, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, can't crack nearly 227, 249. This one has 300 ppi, which means you're going to get a dense, very high quality overall appearance. It isn't much of an unboxing because Amazons typically just have this rip strip that actually didn't even work this time, so let's try from the other end. Should slide out just like this, and I'm expecting a lot of paper here, which is very nice of course, but the downside, oh look at that, fantastic. Maybe they listened. Because of the lack of overall padding in an Amazon product nowadays, because this is just flimsy cardstock, they actually added a layer of corrugation that you can't actually take out. There's a corrugated cardboard sleeve in here. That's really nice. I appreciate that because that's the only thing protecting your unit, this very small piece of construction paper. We have Hello here by Kindle Scribe. It has all the information on there. Activate your Kindle, how to work it, remove the tips and all that. That looks like a Wacom tip, I'm just going to say. That doesn't look like kind of a Kobo Ellipsa tip. Just going to say that. I don't know if this has actual capabilities of Wacom, but let's figure it out. These are the tips right here. We'll open these up and check it out. Wow, this opens really nicely. Cool. Oh, wow. I think those are Wacom felt tips, guys. We'll have to check that out in the full review when we get to it. This one is coming with the premium pen. And look, it's wrapped in wax paper. That's really nice. Thank you for that. Okay, this is kind of looking like has a iFlyTech kind of rear eraser that pushes down with kind of a Wacom Intuos kind of expansion here. It goes into kind of an arrowhead. See that? That's really interesting. This is really cool. You get a single press on the side. The back probably doesn't open up, although there is a seam here, probably for access if you're servicing your device or if they need to repair something. And you have your USB-C with a paper sleeve. Very nice. Thank you, Amazon, for that little quote right there because they're very book-oriented. Much like the Fire tablets, they have this nice wax paper kind of paper sealant combination, and why I like that is because even as recent as the Paperwhite has not been doing that. They've been using plastic, full plastic across the whole thing. I just ripped that. It seems that a lot of these things are ripping so far, seriously, and that's to do with because it's paper, but it's just wax paper. It's fine. You'll forgive us when we do a giveaway. So putting that off to the side, first thing I notice is the little bumpers. That's really cool because that means if you put it down on a surface, this isn't going to move around. Look at that. It's shaking the table. It's so sturdy. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, I very much appreciate that. This is a flush screen and bezel and the very industry standard side ledger for the right-handed people essentially, or left-handed people, non-discriminatory because you can rotate it around like that. Immediately out of the gate, they give you voice view. And that's really nice because this is usually buried in the accessibility subsection of the settings menu. You have a button on the side with a USB port. You have nothing on this side, nothing on the bottom, and nothing on the top actually. Wow, okay, so this is really clean. On the front, you get this kind of pasty dark black here because it is a little bit diffused by the overall top glass layer and sealant coat, aka the screen protector. And on the back, you get a very nice kind of midnight chrome finish. That's really nice. There's a touch of gray in the flake. It comes off black when you're not reflecting any light. But the second you get that light in there, you start to kind of ignite the gray flake that's in the paint. We're not going to do a first time kind of boot up and everything because Amazon has a lot of setup procedures to go through. Wi-Fi, account sign in, do you want this service, do you want that service? All that fun stuff is coming in the review. For now, everyone, this is an unboxing of the brand new Kindle Scribe by Amazon.